Keeping your workplace safe is essential. Hi, I'm Edwin from SOS Emergency Response Technologies. We are here to help ensure that your workplace has the confidence to achieve this task. Employers are required to ensure that first aid and safety equipment is suitable, accessible, and always ready to use. This means supplies must be usable, undamaged, and not expired. SOS Emergency Response Technologies Occupational Health and Safety Systems helps your workplace stay fully compliant with WorkSafeBC requirements. The SOS station includes a fully automatic oxygen unit, an air horn for emergency alerts, an automatic external defibrillator, otherwise known as an AED, an eye wash station, and a WorkSafeBC approved first aid kit. With SOS, your office or facility is equipped, compliant, and prepared for any emergency.